My whole life, I knew somebody close to me would be diagnosed with cancer. Not once did it cross my mind that it might be me. Back in 2013, I received my diagnosis just 3 months after our first grandchild was born. Didn't think I'd get to see her go to kindergarten. It was very eye-opening. It was scary. I had a 4-year life expectancy. My mind was clouded. I didn't know what to do. Thank goodness my wife is an RN and she was there to help me. We just knew we had to try some clinical trials and see how we could beat this cancer. My first clinical trial for a bispecific antibody was at Penn. The effect of the trial was amazing. In 48 hours, my cancer was down by over 99%, something they had never seen before. So after 18 months, my cancer came back and we decided to go on to another bispecific trial that had a different target on the cancer. On that one, 2 weeks after my first mini dose, I was cancer-free. This was just astounding for us. It has now been 1.25 years that I've not been on any cancer treatments. The first time since I've been diagnosed 11 years ago. Although there were some difficult parts, overall they were fantastic experiences for me. I had record responses in the clinical trials I was in, so that's certainly the biggest positive. But I got to know a lot of people. I got to meet other folks that were in these trials, and one of the things I'll never forget is the first clinical trial I was on ended up being approved. And knowing that I was a part of that was just such a great feeling. Just by having clinical trials can give people hope. Knowing that besides what we have in medicine today, there's more coming tomorrow. Some people say 7 years past my life expectancy. I don't really measure my life in years anymore. I measure it based on what matters. I had a granddaughter that was born 3 months before I was diagnosed. Didn't even think I'd get to see her go to kindergarten. I didn't get another 7 years. I got an additional 3 grandchildren.